Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the model ready. Select the subtool, confirm Polypaint is enabled, and pick a base color. Once done, set your draw size and choose a painting brush like Standard or Paint. Make sure RGB is active and not Z-add, otherwise you'll sculpt instead of paint. To lay down the base, use Color Fill Object for a uniform layer, or paint manually with mRGB for spot control. This establishes a clear foundation, so subsequent layers read correctly and blend predictably. Now you build complexity by painting in layers and protecting zones. Create a new layer for each color pass so you can tweak opacity or delete mistakes without harming the base. Use masking, Control plus drag to paint masks or isolate polygroups to shield areas, then invert masks when needed. Employ lazy mouse for smooth strokes and vary RGB intensity to control pigment strength. This helps you paint edges or subtle grime. Use alphas and texture maps to imprint details. Those choices explain why the surface reads like real. Finish by refining edges, adding highlights and weathering, then prepare to export. Use the fade brush or smudge for soft transitions and lower RGB intensity for glaze effects. When satisfied, bake Polypaint to a texture using multi-map exporter or project details with Spotlight for decals. If colors look warped, make sure UVs are correct and normals aren't flipped. Also increase subdivision if brush strokes pixelate. These checks solve most problems and ensure your painted asset transfers clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.